Hello and welcome to Learning in Your PJs with Miss D. In this video, we will be practicing the doubles plus one strategy. And this is especially for Liberty and Victoria because you are just working on this skill now, but anybody can watch this one too.
Let's get started. Today we will be practicing our doubles facts as well as the doubles plus one strategy we've been working on. And you'll be visited by my favorite pen, my Bell pen. Let's get started. We know our doubles very well. 1 plus 1 is 2. Everyone knows that. But let's move on to doubles plus 1. I know what 1 plus 1 is. It's 2. So how about one more than that, since 2 is one more than 1? I know what 1 plus 1 is. So how about one more than that? 3. There you go. Let's keep going. We all know what 2 plus 2 is. That one's easy. It's 4. There we go. Now let's move on to the doubles plus 1. We just figured out what 2 plus 2 is. So one more than that would be 5. Excellent. 3 plus 3, everyone knows that one. 6. For the shortcut, what's just one more than 3 plus 3? 3 plus 4, so that means it's one more than 6, which means it's 7. Let's do one more together. Here we go. 4 plus 4, we know that one. It's 8. One more. Can you figure it out? One more than 8? 9. Let's keep going with this, shall we? Here we go. We know what 5 plus 5 is. That one's easy. It's 10. And if we're doing doubles plus 1, it's not 5 plus 5 anymore. It's 5 plus 6, and that's one more than 5. So that means this answer has to be one more. That means 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. Doubles plus 1, now it's 6 plus 7. It's got to be one more than this answer, which means it's... I see a pattern, do you? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are all even numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Those are all odd numbers. We could use that as a shortcut to keep going. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. One more than that. Or you could use the shortcut. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Let's keep going, only a couple more. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 8 plus 8, in case you don't remember, use our shortcut. 16. Doubles plus 1. What's plus 1 from 16? 17. Couple more. Here we go. 9 plus 9 is... If you don't remember, let's use our shortcut. Even numbers, even numbers, even numbers. The next one will be 18. Of course. One more than that would be 19. My paper cut off a little bit, but that's okay. We can keep going. 10 plus 10 is... You know that one. It's just like 1 plus 1. But there's a 0 in front of it. Here's a 0, and here's a 0. And the end is where we'll have a 0 also. So the numbers are going to match. If I see a 2 up here, that means I'm going to see a 2 down here too. Don't forget that 0. 10 plus 10 is 20. And you can count by tens. 10, 20. There you go. And I think you can figure out what's one more than that. 20. Oh, Oh, my paper keeps wiggling. 21. Come on, pen, you can do it. One. There we go. 21. We did it. Doubles plus 1. Let's move on to another piece of paper. And this time the math facts are arranged vertically, which means up and down. And we're going to go over the doubles plus 1 strategy again. And let's get started. We're not going to do them all. That would be a lot. We'll just do the first few. All right. First one, 5 plus 6. You know what 5 plus 5 is? It's 10. So one more than that must be... Oh, the fuzz is covering it. 11. Next up, 4 plus 5. I know what 4 plus 4 is. It's 8. 5 is one more than 4, which means we're just adding 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. Next up, 3 plus 4. I definitely know 3 plus 3. That's 6. We're just adding 1 more. I can add 1 more. 7. Here's the last 2 for this row. 2 plus 3. I definitely know 2 plus 2. That's 4. And I'm only adding 1 more. That means it's 5. 9 plus 8. Well, I definitely know what 8 plus 8 is. That's 16. 1 more would be 17. Come on, pen, 17. There we go. Now remember, in addition, that means anything with a plus sign, it does not matter what order these two numbers are in. The answer is still going to be the same. So even if the 8 was on top and then 9 was on the bottom, this number would still be the same. Let's do a couple more together. When I do doubles plus 1, my trick is to pick the smaller number first and double that one. So the smallest one here is 6. I'm going to double this one. 6 plus 6. I know that one. It's 12. 1 more. 13. Moving on. 8 plus 9. Well, 8 is smaller. That's my trick. I like to pick the smaller one first and double that one. And just add 1 more. I can do that. And you could also use a secret. We already did 8 plus 9. Over there. 9 plus 8 is the same as 8 plus 9. See how the answers are the same too? 17 and 17. There's a good trick for you. All right, moving on. 7 plus 8. My trick is to use the smaller number first and double that one, which means 7. I know what 7 plus 7 is. It's 14. We're adding 1 more. 15. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 is just 1 more. That means 11. Oh, this one's super easy. You don't even need to use a doubles plus 1 fact in this one. I know what 2 plus 1 more is. It's 3. And there you have it. Some more practice with doubles plus 1. You're allowed to watch this video as many times as you want to help you out. Good job!